Now let's get the groceries for dinner.
Wow!
Come on, Tip. Let's go in. Hello, Paco.
Good afternoon to all of you.
Hi.
Do you like that fire engine? If you want a better look, you can go and get it.
I'll be needing a pound of carrots and some potatoes.
Is that all? Or do you need anything else, my dear?
Let's see.
Mommy, we need this.
Really?
Yes, look how nice it is. Can we get it? Can we please?
It's a nice truck, but you have so many toys at home, and we can't always get everything just because we want it.
That's not true. I have very few toys. In fact, I have no toys at all.